Are you curious enough to know which luxury car brands rule the streets of the USA, the UK, Canada, and Australia? Or why some models like the Rolls-Royce Ghost or the Bentley Continental GT come with a price tag as heavy as their Prestige? If you're between 25 and 40 and love cars with cutting-edge specs, heritage, and global status, this video is crafted just for you. We're diving deep into legendary luxury car brands: Rolls-Royce, Bentley, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Lexus, Ferrari, and Bugatti, exploring their flagship models, their country-specific perks, and why they're cherished by millions worldwide. You'll discover why Australia loves brands with low-maintenance luxury programs, why SUVs dominate the Canadian market, and how new international trade deals are shaking up luxury car pricing in the US. We'll even get a rare look into the Sultan of Brunei's billion-dollar car collection and uncover the emotional stories behind iconic emblems like the Spirit of Ecstasy. Stick around till the end because we'll answer, why does McLaren use gold inside its cars? And is the Mercedes logo really named after a little girl? Let's rev the engines and dive in.
Starting with USA, it is the Cadillac Tesla Model S Plaid for performance luxury, and European imports like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi dominate the luxury segment. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is also renowned for advanced driver assistance features plus interiors, and the starting price is $117,000 US. BMW 7 Series in USA offers a smooth hybrid V8 or electric drivetrain, i7, top-tier iDrive 8.5 system, starting from $96,000 US. Audi A8 is sleek and tech-forward with quattro all-wheel drive and night vision assist, priced from $89,000 US. Lexus LS is known for its reliability and a quiet ride, starting the price around $77,000 US. Do you know why these models thrive in the US? Because American buyers appreciate performance in addition with comfort and premium tech integration. Moreover, BMW and Mercedes offer extended warranty and maintenance programs, reducing ownership anxiety. Moving forward with United Kingdom. In the UK, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, and Jaguar hold strong. British heritage matters. Rolls-Royce Ghost is priced around £260,000. Handmade and ultra-refined, it's for those who seek pure luxury. Bentley Flying Spur is the sports luxury sedan with a V8 or W12, starts the price at £170,000. Jaguar XJ, which is already relaunched in 2025, is an electric reboot of a British icon. In the UK, cars like Rolls-Royce represent class, heritage, and sophistication. Fun fact, each Ghost takes 450 hours to assemble, with interiors sourced from single herds of bulls to avoid imperfections. Leaving United Kingdom, if you want to look around, how SUVs rule in Canada due to snow, long distances, and family practicality, this powerful info dedicatedly collected for you. Lexus LX 600, considered as the beast in winter with crawl control, and the price starts with $125,000 Canadian dollar. The next one would be BMW X7, which is popular for its 3-row comfort and all-weather handling, priced at $110,000 Canadian dollar. The last one must be Audi Q8, which is a tech-rich quattro all-wheel drive, makes it ideal for Canadian winters. The best part is its price, starting with $92,000 Canadian dollar. Worried about the maintenance cost of a luxury car in Canada? BMW and Lexus lead with transparent pricing and multi-year maintenance packages, helping to manage the high upkeeping of luxury SUVs. Last but not the least, in Australia, luxury car brands with maintenance programs are gaining ground firmly. Mentionable product lineup would be Mercedes-Benz GLE, which offers 3-year prepaid servicing plans, priced starting at 120,000 Australian dollar. The next one to consider is Audi Q7. It is known for its advanced driver aids and virtual cockpit tech. Price of this luxury car starting at 115,000 Australian dollar. The most famous vehicle in Australia is BMW 5 Series 530i. It is again known for sporty luxury, and the price starts with 125,000 Australian dollar. The world should know that Australia values reliability and manageable service costs. Mercedes and BMW offer comprehensive maintenance plans, covering major services and roadside assistance, vital in a country where distances are vast.
Recent trade developments have shaken the luxury car market. A prime example would be the US-UK trade deal signed in 2023. While it aimed to ease import duties on certain goods, luxury automobiles like Bentleys were caught in a gray zone. Bentley in the USA, previously priced at around $220,000 the uncertainty around tariffs has made pricing fluctuate. As reported by Bloomberg UK, some Bentley dealers in the US have delayed shipments due to confusion around excise taxes and duties. The result impacts is a temporary hike in showroom prices and a spike in second-hand Bentley demand. Moving toward United Kingdom, luxury cars are classified not only by price, but by craftsmanship, exclusivity, and legacy. This is why Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin, and Bentley are more than vehicles, they're rolling symbols of prestige. The government's vehicle excise duty considers carbon emissions and price, so hybrid and electric Bentleys are gaining traction to beat the tax system. That you must consider as a very good news so far. Now it's turn for the snow country, Canada, where the Canadian SUV trends is on the top. In snowy Canada, SUVs like the Lexus RX 350, Range Rover Sport, and Mercedes GLE Coupe dominate due to their all-wheel drive systems, cargo space, and ride height. As reported by Globe and Mail, 7 out of 10 luxury car buyers in Toronto opt for SUVs. That's all for Canada. For the next move with Australia. Australia's high labor costs make luxury car upkeep expensive. That's why Audi Care and Mercedes service plans are booming. For example, maintaining a Mercedes S-Class without a plan can cost 6,000 to 8,000 Australian dollar per year. Hence, the prepaid maintenance drops by nearly 40%. The supercar and luxury car are both symbols of wealth. Supercars and luxury cars serve very different purposes. Hence, both are sophisticated and bear the same badge of honor. The luxury cars prioritize comfort, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge tech, whereas supercars are all about speed, aerodynamics, and performance engineering. If you go for the great comparison, Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, Audi A8, Lexus LS are the luxury models to feature advanced air suspension, noise insulation, and executive-class cabins. For Ferrari 488, Lamborghini Huracan, McLaren 720S, Bugatti Chiron push limits with sub-3-second 0 to 60 times and top speeds over 200 miles per hour. The line blurs sometimes. For example, the Porsche Panamera offers both luxury and performance, while the Rolls-Royce Rapé accelerates like a supercar but pampers like a limousine. The interconnection of luxury car and supercar. Many supercar brands offer luxurious trims, while luxury brands experiment with performance lines, BMW M760 Li or Audi S8. It's all about pushing the envelope, either in comfort or capability. Do you know why is Ferrari often crowned the king of supercars? It is because it fuses track heritage with Italian artistry. Its engines are handmade in Maranello, and each car screams precision and pedigree. With $18.68 million, Bugatti La Voiture Noire is the most expensive supercar ever sold. It was crafted from carbon fiber with a quad-turbo W16 engine. In terms of its luxury and performance, it bears an unmatched scale. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noir Droptail 2023 is considered as an ultra-luxury car and not a supercar. It's built for elegance, not speed. With only 4 units produced, it's tailored to the buyer's story, including hand-painted rose petals and a removable Audemars Piguet clock. At a glance, the supercar brands include Ferrari, Lamborghini, Bugatti, McLaren, Koenigsegg, and Pagani. Each and every brands have always focused on speed and exclusivity. According to The Telegraph UK and CNN International, Sultan Hassanal Bolkiah of Brunei owns the world's largest private car collection, with over 7,000 luxury and supercars valued at more than billions in US dollar. His collection includes 500-plus Rolls-Royces, including a record that he once bought half of all produced in a single year. He has more than 300 Ferraris, 600-plus Mercedes-Benz, limited editions like the Bugatti EV110, Bentley Java, and the Ferrari Mythos, most of which were custom-built exclusively for him. His garages span over 4 square kilometers, featuring climate control, round-the-clock maintenance teams, and a very dedicated cleaning crews. Do you want to know the reason behind his passion for collecting luxury car? As per a BBC report, it began in the 1980s when Brunei's oil wealth were in peak position. The Sultan sees cars as a combination of engineering, luxury, and status, a way to preserve mechanical artistry for the future generations. He's even been a mystery client for brands like Pininfarina, commissioning one-off models not even displayed at international motor shows. After all, it's all about the luxury car. Driving a luxurious BMW isn't just about moving from one place to another, it's about feeling the legacy of precision. Did you know that BMW originally manufactured aircraft engines? That's where the blue and white badge comes from. It represents a spinning propeller against a blue sky. So, while driving BMW on the road, keep it in mind that you are rolling a flying engine beneath your feet. Must be a proud driver. And then there's the Spirit of Ecstasy, the iconic Rolls-Royce hood ornament. It's modeled after Eleanor Thornton, the muse of the second Lord Montego, making it a timeless symbol of love and engineering. Hence, Rolls-Royce is considered as the most romantic luxury car ever. At the ending part, you should know about Bugatti's connection with rail cars. The Bugatti Autorail of the 1930s was an ultra-fast luxury train powered by Bugatti engines, symbolizing the brand's long-standing affair with speed and refinement across multiple transportation realms. On a closing ground, it would be viable to inform you that from aircraft to trains to handcrafted sedans, luxury cars always carry deep history and romanticism in its every curve.
Now, you have come to the ending part of the video, and here's something to blow your mind before you leave. In McLaren's world, gold isn't just for show. It's used in the engine bay of the F1 model to reflect heat away from the exhaust manifold. That's right, gold is a performance material and not always uses ornaments. Lamborghini has a great background history. It was born from frustration. Founder Ferruccio Lamborghini was very unhappy with the services of his Ferrari, so he built a better supercar. Ambition and a touch of rebellion gave birth to one of the world's most desirable car brands, and it is today's Lamborghini. And yes, behind every Mercedes-Benz emblem is a legacy named after a little girl named Mercedes Jelinek, whose name inspired an entire empire of luxury and innovation. It is what we call proudly as Mercedes. So, if stories like these spark your engine and make your heart race, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with Gear the Vroom, a channel to explore the automotive industry in your fingertip. There's so much more to discover in the world of luxury cars. From innovations to inspirations, we're here to bring it all to your screen. Thanks for your precious time bearing with our hard effort. Until next time, keep it classy, keep it powerful, and always Gear the Vroom. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon for the next gear. Thank you.